Now let's start the civic chapter 9th of class 7, struggle for equality. Let's continue this in the part 2. Now the next topic, struggle for equality. What is struggle? Struggle in which the people have come together to fight for a variety of issues, for different issues. Okay, in a society the people come together and fight. It's called the struggle. For example, the BD worker, fisher folk, agricultural laborers, slum dwellers, etc. And each group is struggling for justice, struggling for their rights. Now continue this topic, struggle for equality. Some of the famous struggles are women's movement to raise issues of equality, and it was first, okay, the struggle start in the USA, okay, the civil right movement, we can say women's civil right movement. So next one, Tawa Matsya Sangh in Madhya Pradesh, it is called a TMS, okay. So the Tawa river originating in the Mahadeva hills of Chhindwara district, and it flows through the Betul before joining the Narmada in Hoshangabad. So this is the best example of the struggle for equality which we learn detail in this chapter. So student, this Tawa is what? Tawa is the so Tawa Dam. The Tawa Dam built on the Tawa River in 1958 and was completed in 1978. Almost it take a 20 year. So in this period, the people of 33 villages were displaced. Why? Because in this reservoir, the land and other places were submerged. Hence, the 33 villages were displaced to other places. So these displaced people, they settle around the reservoir, and apart from their mega farms, found a livelihood in fishing. Means previously what happened, they having a little bit farms, okay, but major livelihood depend on the fishing. In 1994, what the government did, the government gave the rights for fishing in dam to a private contractors, means sell the right of fishing to the private company, private contractors, okay, in 1994 by the Madhya Pradesh government. Now the Tawa Matsya Sangh, how it's formed, this organization, this cooperative, how it's formed. In 1994, the government gave the rights for fishing to the Tawa reservoirs to private contractors. These contractors got a cheap labor from outside, and these villagers stood united and decided to set up an organization to protect their livelihood rights. Okay, this is also given by the Indian Constitution to us. Okay, that right to life. Okay, so here what, because these people's livelihood depend on the fishing, and if the fishing rights are sold to the private contractors, okay, and even as well as even the labors which required to them, they hire on a cheap wages, hence they lost their livelihood, and hence they come together, they united and decide to set up an organization to protect their livelihood, and this organization is called the role of Tawa Matsya Sangh. What is the role of Tawa Matsya Sangh? That is, this TMS fights for the rights of the displaced forest dwellers. Displaced forest dwellers means the citizens, the people, okay, who displaced at the time of build the Tawa Dam, okay, which is in the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. They organize rallies and Chakka Jam. What kind of struggles? Which things they did in the struggle? They organize the rallies. Chakka Jam means roadblock, and demanding their rights to continue the fishing of their livelihood in this Tawa Dam. Now, role of Tawa Matsya Sangh. Okay, so continuingly we can say, in response to their protest, response to their struggle, the government allowed them in 1996 Okay, the Madhya Pradesh government decide to give to the people who displaced by the Tower Dam the fishing rights for the reservoir. Means these people having got their right back to fishing in that dam. For the upliftment of needs of fishermen, I told this is the Federation of Cooperatives. Okay. So what this cooperative did, the TMS did. Okay. What work they did for these displaced people, for the fishermen. Okay. They did work of upliftment to the fishermen and to make them able to increase their earning substantially. How? By transport, third, selling in a market where they get a good price, and as well as even loan for a fisherman for repairing and buying a new nets as well as even the fishing boats. Okay, got it. Means what the things this cooperative, this TMS did for the fishermen who displaced due to this Tawa dam after getting a fishing right, getting the fishing right, means arranging the fair price, transport for them. Okay, the market availability where they get a good price for their fish. Okay, loans for fishermen for repairing their nets as well as even to purchasing the fishing boats. Thus the fishermen have started to earn 3 times more than they earn earlier. Okay, whatever they are earning, okay, it increased by triple. Next, this is the core of the struggle for equality in democracy. Means in democracy, struggle for equality or for right, it is in the core of a democracy. मीन्स यही तो उसका गावा है, डेमोक्रेसी का गावा है. इफ देर इज नो स्ट्रगल देर इज नो डेमोक्रेसी. The dignity and self-respect of each person and their community can only be realized if they have adequate resource to support. So first I said poverty, second is what, that is equal resources. If we are not giving a, means each and everyone having own dignity and self-respect. Okay, if you are not dignity or self-respect due to others, then there is not a equality. Okay, means in each and every community should be there if he belong from any community, Dalit, Adivasi, anyone. Okay, and as well as even the resources available on the earth, it should be distributed equally and everywhere. Means in employment. Okay, in Indian constitution also provide a reservation to the communities. Hence we can say सर्वधर्म समभाव also, as well as even सब जातियाँ सब समान एक है. ठीक है. So nurture their families and if they are not discriminated against. Okay, means we should have to be help to the families. Okay, who belong from the poverty, belong from the communities which having not giving a self-respect or dignity, we should have to give them. Okay, and the basis of this religion, caste, gender, everything's okay. So then it will be a inequality there. I think so you understood the chapter very well. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask, okay, by message me, okay, or WhatsApp. Okay, thank you so much.